How prepared are you for the unexpected? A thought-provoking question, isn't it? In a world where life is full of surprises, it's essential to stay ready for anything. That's where a survival kit comes into play, a crucial collection of items that could make all the difference when faced with an unexpected challenge. This kit is not just a box of tools, it's peace of mind, it's assurance, it's your lifeline in a crisis. Today, we're taking you through a comprehensive step-by-step guide to assembling your very own survival kit. This isn't just about packing a bag, it's about ensuring your safety and readiness for whatever life might throw at you. So whether you're a seasoned survivalist or just starting on this journey, this guide is for you. Join us on this journey of preparedness and let's ensure you're ready for whatever life throws at you. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join us on our journey to prepping for the future. There's a whole world of knowledge and know-how just waiting to be uncovered, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. From creating your own DIY emergency survival kits to mastering the art of sourcing and purifying water in the wild, we've got you covered. We also delve into other essential survival skills like building a fire without matches, foraging for edible plants, and navigating without a compass. We're not just about survival though, we're about thriving, no matter what life throws at you. So, if you're ready to take the reins and prepare for anything, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together. We appreciate your support. Now, let's get started on that survival kit. Scene script: water, food, light, and communication. These are your essentials. Let's dive into each one. Water, the elixir of life. You can't go 3 days without it, and in an emergency situation, clean, drinkable water may not be readily available. So, pack enough to last at least 3 days, considering the average person needs about 1 gallon per day. Next on the list, food. Non-perishable items are your best bet. Think canned goods, energy bars, dried fruits, and nuts. They're long-lasting and will provide you with the energy you need to face any situation. And remember, canned goods are no good without a manual can opener, so don't forget to throw one in your kit. Now let's talk about light. In an emergency, you might find yourself in the dark, literally. A compact flashlight is a must. It's small, lightweight, and can be a beacon in the night. Don't forget to pack some spare batteries too. You never know how long you're going to need it. Communication, the lifeline to the world outside your immediate environment. A hand crank radio is your best friend here. It doesn't rely on electricity and it can keep you informed about the situation outside. You'll be able to stay updated with weather forecasts, emergency broadcasts, and other crucial information. So, we've covered water, food, light, and communication. But remember, these are just the essentials. They'll keep you alive and somewhat comfortable in an emergency situation. But to truly be prepared, there's more to consider. Things like health and safety items, versatile tools, personal hygiene products, and extra essentials that add comfort and convenience to your survival kit. With these essentials, you're well on your way to being prepared. But remember, an ultimate survival kit is more than just these items. It's about being ready for anything, at any time. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the other components of a comprehensive survival kit in our next segments. Injuries can happen, and staying warm and dry is crucial. This motto underscores the importance of health and safety in any survival situation. To ensure you're prepared for any injury or ailment that may come your way, a comprehensive first aid kit is an absolute must. Your first aid kit should include a variety of bandages, from adhesive strips for minor cuts to larger dressings for more serious wounds. Antiseptic wipes are crucial for cleaning wounds and preventing infection. Pain relievers can alleviate discomfort, and any necessary prescription medication should also be included. Remember, knowledge is just as important as the tools themselves. Learn basic first aid procedures like how to clean and dress a wound or perform CPR. This knowledge could be the difference between life and death in an emergency. Now let's talk about staying warm and dry. Hypothermia is a real risk in many survival situations, and staying warm is paramount. Pack blankets in your kit. A survival blanket, often referred to as a space blanket, is a lightweight and compact choice. These reflect back up to 90% of your body heat, helping you stay warm. Clothing is another factor to consider. Pack extra clothes, focusing on layers that can be added or removed as needed. Opt for moisture-wicking and insulating materials. And don't forget about your feet. Wet or cold feet can lead to problems like frostbite or trench foot. A waterproof tarp can be a lifesaver. It can be used for shelter, to collect rainwater, or even as a ground cover. It's versatile and lightweight, making it a valuable addition to your kit. Lastly, remember to pack items for protection. This can include anything from a sturdy pair of gloves to protect your hands while working, to sunglasses for eye protection. Your health and safety are paramount, and with these items, you're better equipped to handle emergencies. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. By preparing for potential dangers ahead of time, you're giving yourself the best chance of survival in any situation. A multi-tool and duct tape can be lifesavers, and personal hygiene shouldn't be overlooked. When it comes to survival, having the right tools can make all the difference. A multi-tool, for instance, is like a Swiss Army knife on steroids. It's a compact gadget that combines various tools such as a knife, pliers, screwdriver, bottle opener, and more, all into one. This little powerhouse can help you in a multitude of situations, from building a shelter to opening a can of food, or even making minor repairs. Speaking of repairs, that's where our next item comes into play: duct tape. It might seem like a simple item, but its versatility is truly incredible. Duct tape can be used to fix tears in clothing, seal a leaky water bottle, or even as a makeshift bandage in a pinch. Its strength and durability make it an indispensable part of any survival kit. Now let's shift gears and talk about hygiene. It's easy to overlook personal cleanliness when you're focused on survival, but neglecting hygiene can lead to illness or infections. Even in a survival situation, it's important to maintain as much cleanliness as possible. So what hygiene items should you include in your survival kit? Well, travel-sized toiletries are a great place to start. Toothpaste, toothbrushes, soap, and toilet paper should definitely make the cut. These items are small, lightweight, and can make a world of difference to your comfort and health. Another hygiene item to consider is hand sanitizer. It's a quick and easy way to kill germs when you don't have access to clean water. And let's not forget about feminine hygiene products. They're not just for women, they can be used as bandages, fire starters, or even water filters in a pinch. And finally, don't forget a small towel. It can be used for drying off, cleaning equipment, or even as a makeshift pillow. With these items, your survival kit is versatile and complete. Remember, being prepared isn't just about having the essentials. It's about being able to adapt and overcome whatever life throws at you. And with a well-stocked survival kit, you'll be ready for anything. In case of evacuation, cash and important documents are vital. This is the golden rule of any survival kit. Why? Because in the throes of an emergency, ATMs may not be operational and credit card systems could be down. Having cash on hand can be a lifesaver. Small bills are best, as you may need to pay for goods or services, and exact change might be necessary. Equally important are copies of your essential documents. These include identification, insurance policies, medical records, and any other paperwork that proves who you are and what you're entitled to. Keep these in a waterproof pouch to protect them from damage. Now let's talk about navigation. In a crisis, GPS may not be reliable. Always include a physical map of your area or a compass in your survival kit. These old-school tools can be the difference between being lost and finding your way to safety. So, let's recap. Your ultimate DIY emergency survival kit should have water, non-perishable food, a manual can opener, a flashlight with spare batteries, a hand crank radio, a first aid kit, blankets, a waterproof tarp, extra clothes, a multi-tool, duct tape, travel-sized toiletries, cash, important document copies, and navigation tools. All these items should fit into a durable yet lightweight backpack with multiple compartments for easy organization. Preparedness is not about fear, but about empowerment. It's about knowing that you have the tools and resources to handle whatever life throws your way. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing that you can protect yourself and your loved ones in an emergency. By assembling your own DIY emergency survival kit, you'll be ready for anything life throws at you. Stay prepared, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential tips and guides.